Title: The Magical World of Magnets. Have you ever played with magnets? Those super cool little blocks that stick to your fridge or pick up paper clips in the blink of an eye. But have you ever wondered why they do that? Let's dive into the magical world of magnets and see how they work their charm. The basics of magnets. Magnets are special objects that produce an invisible force called magnetic force. This force can attract certain materials, like iron, nickel, and cobalt. Anything that is attracted to magnets is called ferromagnetic, just like how certain people stick together in a group because they have so much in common. Mysteries of magnetic forces. So, what makes a magnet a magnet? Inside every magnetic object are tiny little areas known as domains. You can imagine these domains like tiny rocks. In ordinary objects, these rocks are arranged all willy-nilly, pointing in all different directions. But in a magnet, these rocks line up neatly in straight lines, all looking in the same direction. When this happens, the magnet can create a strong pulling or pushing force. Why do they stick? A magnet has two ends, usually called the north and south poles, like the top and bottom of Earth. When you bring the north pole of one magnet close to the south pole of another, they snap together with a satisfying click. But if you try to force two north poles or two south poles together, they push away from each other. It's like when you try to mix oil and water, they just won't stick. Magnetic fields. The secret pathways. What's really neat about magnets is their invisible magnetic field. Think of it as a magical force field that surrounds the magnet. If you sprinkle some iron filings around a magnet, they'll arrange themselves along the lines of this force field, revealing its shape. It's as if you're drawing an invisible map that only the filings can see. How magnets are made. Did you know that you can make your own magnets? If you take a piece of iron or steel and rub it with a strong magnet over and over, you can turn it into a magnet too. The rubbing process lines up those tiny domains we talked about, making them all point in the same direction. It's like training a group of dancers to follow the same steps. Fun facts about magnets. Not all magnets are made of the same stuff. Some powerful magnets are made of rare earth materials that have super strong magnetic forces. Earth itself is like a giant magnet. That's why compasses can point north. They're aligning with Earth's magnetic field. Magnets are used in all sorts of cool technologies, like MRI machines that help doctors see inside your body and in computers to store information. So next time you're playing with a magnet, remember that there's a whole world of tiny forces and hidden fields at work. Magnets may be small, but their power and mystery are huge. Go ahead, stick around, and keep exploring the wonderful world of science.